As I feel your wonderful breeze, as I intake your juices that have been preserved by the cumulonimbus and the stratus cloud to make the wonderful thunderstorms. So let me storm out what you have done to me mentally, physically, and emotionally. I love the way I touch as I take a journey through your rainforest. I feel your water and it's pouring down, showering me like the downpour of the waterfall. I am taking all. I stand there and embrace it. Embrace the waves of your temptation. Your seduction is something that is just so magnificent. I love this rainforest. Every time I travel through it, I feel your love. It's like an anaconda and it wraps around me. Wow, how you constrict my instrument so tight. Mm. Sweet rainforest, I'd die of thirst if it wasn't for you being so moist. I love it times 20, 'cause it's all my choice. I have to not worry about traps, 'cause rainforest, mm, I love the produce that you give back. I love the way that you have infilled and instilled inside everything that I can never want in a rainforest eyes. Your body structure is so plentiful and beautiful, wonderful. The way that you enlighten the skies through your trees as the company. I love the way you do such things. It's like you must have a voodoo doctor flowing somewhere in your land because I'm like, I got a hex on it. I mean, your love muscles makes me just want to flex it. And there's only just one word that comes to mind, and I think about sex in it. Oh, rainforest, so physical you are. A jungle I have not traveled through because it's full of wild things. But baby, you bring out my wild side of things. You tempt me with your touch. I love to lay in the pastures of your ecstasy. It's no sounds around unless it's your voice. I drift off in a dream as I lay down and I can only see this queen who I make love to now. Rainforest, what have you created inside my mind? Wow, you're just one of a kind. How long have you been existing, Rainforest? But you don't reply. You take a breather and you ask me, so it is you who seek God. I reply yes, and I plan to find out your blueprints. But your touch is not so confusing. It's like you implanted so many areas around that I love to embrace. Mm, rainforest. When your downpour comes, I love to be around just for a taste. Rainforest, I could stand you all night because you're just so appetizing and hypnotizing. I'm caught up in a stance that I can't move. You have control over me. It's like a trance. And I will do as your every command in your will and desire. Rainforest. You and I are like enemies. Because see, while you bring the coolness, I also bring the heat. The winds of sex are where we meet. Your mangoes, I love to eat and cherish. Oh wow, my rainforest. You're so sweet. So much varieties of fruits you have for me. But if I bring too much heat, rainforest, you can become a perfect tragedy. So rainforest, as we speak today, let's take up an oath that you stay narrow and not light wide like the Amazon until it's my boat that I roll and I stroke. So maybe you understand rainforest and I can see the light. You have an opening. Let me embrace it. Prepare for this one-on-one tonight's rainforest. Come and embrace me. Fulfill all your wishes upon me. For I love what you do. So do what you like.